Welcome back to my new unboxing video. Today I'm gonna unbox Rockman from Rockman 11 or Megaman 11 game. I got this toy from Japan and let's see how good it is. Nice. Alright. Here's the full view of the toy. And as always, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.